Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today I'll show you how to make an English environment for speaking English. Now how to make an environment for learning English. So guys, let's begin without any delay. Hi, I'm Sushil watching Mr. Sushil. So guys, do you make an environment to speak English? That is the very much important. I am going to give the first priority for making an environment. But without environment, you cannot speak English. But your mind distract because you're not that type of environment. Because without environment, when you speak English, taking a lot of times and longer time. But your environment in English, you very easily and very quickly, less time you achieve the English language to speak English. So how is it possible? Yes, because those time I am learn English and speak English, that type of not any environment, but you can make this type of environment because you make all of thing, your effort, your hard work is give this position, because that environment, and not for all, because those are speak English, those are speaking English, lot of English now, fluent English, he are facing lot of problems before, then after we speak and good speaker. So how is possible? Because first is environment. Suppose don't know in English language, you forget everything. Suppose you don't know in English language, but you try to open your YouTube and search him all the stories, all the podcast, all the cartoon, whatever you are interested in. So watch them by in English language, in listen in English language first, and next thing is watch with subtitles, because many speakers speak quickly, that's why did not recall them, but did not understand them, but you listen and writing, then actually understand of what are the meanings. Okay, you listen every day, you continue at least 7 days. I think it continue at least 7 days, I definitely guarantee you learn 20% English. So after that, those who are difficult, you can write them and search in the Google and dictionary the actual heart of the meaning. But those time learn, after that you cannot translate them in Hindi, but you can recall them in English. So next thing is make that type of environment. Suppose you are listening to songs, or sometimes you, I hope this sometimes is very difficult, but listen English songs, try to, if what you are listening or learning English now, you can no, you cannot do this type of little work, little tax is very important. So you're going to make a notes table, and suppose you watching the TVs, channels like for English channels, those are podcast in English. So whatever the story, whatever cartoon in English language, listen them fast, and make a that type of environment for your friends or your family, for trying to conversation them fast, introduce yourself, who are you, where are you from, like that you can introduce yourself. Then after that, introduce yourself, make yourself, and trying to how to call him your phone, to your best friend or any friend, to call him and try to talk in the English, what to do, how's your going day, what your favorite food, anything you can ask, anything you like to English, because those time you speak English fast, you are doing many more mistakes. I hope this mistake I am do, but now I am not saying is fluent speaker, but I am trying to speak, I am learn lot of words. So how is possible? Because that are the, I make this type of environment, and I listen much more true, and I am conversation with them, any of one of my friend, then with English language, but I am discussing with them English language, I am conversing with them in English language. Now I am learning, because you are only watch this video one day, you after that you will tell, I will speak English. Now what is possible? How is possible? That not possible one, that not happen overnight. You can continue your work at least 30 days, 40 days. Those are saying you speak English in 2 days, 1 day, 7 days, that not possible. You're possible only your consistency. Do I live 21-day challenge, I hope a 30-day challenge you can do every day. I hope definitely improve. You can try this 30-day challenge. Now after that you say me actually speaking this not. I hope this video is helpful for you, then really helpful, please subscribe this channel and like this video. Thank you so much, take care of yourself guys, tata.